Welcome to my channel. My name is Carlos and I'm a remote web developer from Colombia. In this channel I usually just post web development tutorials / screencasts, but I always wanted to create a deck setup video. I've been sharing pictures of my setup on Instagram for a few years, and I got most of the things you will see here from Amazon. So I will leave the links down below. For my workspace, I use an iMac 27-inch from 2019. This is actually my first iMac. I replaced the factory hard disk with a 1TB Samsung SSD, and it was a huge difference in performance. I've been using a Macbook Pro for many years, and after the pandemic started, I pretty much never work outside anymore. For my second monitor, I'm using an LG Ultrafine 5K. I wanted something that looked as much as possible to the iMac Retina, and I think this monitor does a pretty good job. I'm using a Magic Keyboard and a Magic Trackpad from Apple. I got very used to a trackpad and I don't really like to use a mouse anymore. A few other accessories I have on my desk are the LaMetric Club that I use to see the total number of subscribers to my YouTube channel, a wireless charging station for my iPhone and my watch. For my Zoom calls, I'm using a SENNHEISER GSP670, and they have a pretty good mic and they sound so good that I use them to listen to music while I'm coding. Next to my workspace, I have a small gaming space. This is a PC I built myself just for gaming. I won't go into too much details, but it's basically an Intel i9 with a 1TB Samsung SSD and 16 gigs of RAM. The graphics card is a GeForce 1620 Ti, and I only play one game basically, which is Call of Duty Warzone. I also have a small collection of Funko POP figures. They are mostly characters from video games and movies I like, and that's pretty much it. I hope this video inspires you with your own setup, and let me know in the comments what do you like the most about my setup or what do you think I could improve. Thanks for watching, bye.